Iria Pastel Consonants Soundwall Phonics Kit I was sent to review, so let me show you a closer look. We've got 2 sheets of sticky dots so that you can tape these up on a wall. You could also put magnets on the back. You could thumbtack them, like a lot of things. You could laminate them and write on them. So then you have a whole pack of these small kind of postcard sizes with the mouth kind of shape for each sound. The sound is down here and then you can see the shape. Just really cool. And they're using diverse skin colors and kids on here so everybody can see themselves represented. Are really cool. These are so amazing. Wow. Okay, so a whole lot of those, and then you've got these bigger ones which have the sound and kind of a picture and a word that uses that sound. So again, really helpful for kids. This is the consonant set. You can also get a vowel set, and you have the big and the small ones, and you can match them up. So they all come in a pair. You can have them like together on the bulletin board, or you can turn it into games where the kids are matching them and then saying them, things like that. So here's the NG, ing. So we've got the ring as an example and the kid's mouth shape. Here is the F, fish. Here we've got the fish and the kid's mouth shape. It has 54 cards in here representing 27 consonant sounds. Each consonant sound has a large and a small card. The smaller card shows you the mouth shape for that sound, and the larger card shows you a corresponding word using that sound as well as the corresponding picture. This is so helpful for teachers, for speech pathologists, for homeschoolers. Like, anybody can benefit from having these up and around their kids. Just a really great set. They are made of a really thick, nice, shiny but not laminated cardstock, so you could write on the back. I love the set, and I know you will too.